Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news to talk about, and it's all about Nothing and their upcoming flagship phone, the Nothing Phone 3. Now earlier this year, Nothing already gave us 3 new phones: the Phone 3A, the Phone 3A Pro, and the CMF Phone 2 Pro. But now, everyone's attention is shifting toward the main event, the Nothing Phone 3, which is expected to launch in the third quarter of 2025. That means we're probably looking at a release window between July and September. Recently, Nothing posted a teaser on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, where they simply shared the number 3 with no caption or explanation. It might not seem like much, but it definitely feels like they're hinting at something big coming up. While it's still a bit early to get a complete picture, especially with the Q3 timeline, we likely won't be seeing full hardware details until we get closer to the actual launch date. As for what we know so far, well, not much has been officially confirmed in terms of specs. But the company has dropped some major hints. Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing, has mentioned that the Phone 3 will come with an AI-powered platform. He even teased that the phone will introduce some breakthrough innovations when it comes to the user interface. So, it looks like we can expect a completely new way of interacting with the device. Now, if you've been following Nothing for a while, you might remember that last June, Carl Pei shared some early concepts and details about this AI platform. It's very likely that the Nothing Phone 3 will come equipped with the next version of Essential Space, an AI hub that first showed up with the Phone 3A series. This time, though, we might see even deeper integration with the OS and core apps, making the phone smarter, more responsive, and just overall more intuitive to use. Since this is going to be a flagship device, it's expected that the Nothing Phone 3 will be priced higher than the 3A models. For comparison, the original Nothing phone launched in India with a price tag of around $530. So, don't be surprised if this one comes in at a premium price point. Now here's something that's especially exciting for fans in the US. Carl Pei has confirmed that the Nothing Phone 3 will officially launch in the United States. And the best part? This time, it won't be limited to Nothing's beta program like some of their earlier phones. That means you won't need to be part of any special test group, it'll be widely available when it launches. And if you're wondering whether it'll be available in other key markets, don't worry. We've seen phones like the OnePlus 13 skip markets like North America and Europe, but that won't be the case with the Nothing Phone 3. Carl Pei made this clear on X when a user asked whether the phone would be sold in the US. His response confirmed it will be, likely through major carriers, and with full support for all major US networks. Even though we're still a few months away from the launch, it's already shaping up to be a solid flagship. From what we've heard so far, the Nothing Phone 3 will likely feature a high refresh rate AMOLED display, a triple rear camera setup, a flagship-grade chipset, and even a dedicated extra button called Essential Key. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the Nothing Phone 3 finally making its way to the US and other major markets? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what features you're most looking forward to. If you enjoyed this update, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech news and reviews. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.